Hello dear students. In the previous lectures of sources of food, we discussed following important topics. That what is food importance, what are ingredients in different kind of foods. We did the activity also on that basis. What kind of food we are getting from the plants, mean to say what is edible parts, leaves, stem. Food from animals also we discussed in the yesterday lecture, like milk, eggs, meat. Okay, but now what animals eat? Okay, animals, like if you have seen a dog around your, okay, what is it able to eat? Like if you put a chapati to it, that it will eat. Okay, rice, that it will eat. Meat, that he will eat. So these are the food sources particularly which can be eaten by a dog. Okay, but there are some animals which do not eat meat, like a cow. Okay, cow do not eat meat. So on basis of food habits particularly, that what animals eat, we have classified animals into three parts. Mean to say on what basis they are eating, on that basis. The first one is herbivores. They are known as herbivores. Mean to say animals those eat plants and their products. Okay, only are called herbivores. For example, cow, sheep, horse. These are the few things which eat only particular. Rabbits. Okay, only plants and their products particularly they usually eat. So that's why we are calling them herbivores or animals. Okay. The second thing is your carnivores. Carnivores are those animals which eat only flesh, or you can kind of say meat particularly. Okay, for example, lion is one which eat only flesh particularly. Okay, tiger, wolves. These are some examples which eat only flesh or meat, you can say. Those animals are known as carnivores. Those which are eating only plant, herbivores. Those eating meat particularly only, carnivores. And the third thing is your omnivores. Omnivores are which one? Which eat both animals which eat plants as well as flesh, or you can say meat, are known as omnivores. For example, human, okay, bear. These are some examples particularly. Crows. A lot of examples you can give on the basis of also omnivores, which eat both things, plants as well as flesh. Those are known as omnivores. Okay. The two more type of animals we need to discuss here. What? First thing is scavengers. Scavengers are those animals which eats only dead animals. Mean to say dead animals they eat only. Okay, dead animals are eaten by scavengers. Like for example, vultures. Vultures eat only dead animals. Okay, jackals particularly, and another example, they also eat dead animals. Okay, so these particular two, you can call them scavengers. They eat dead things. The another one is decomposer. Decomposer. What is decomposer? These are living things, living organism. Usually microorganism they are. Okay, living organism which eats dead plants or animals. Okay, and decompose them. Eat them and decompose them to finally mix them with soil. Okay, so these are known as decomposers particle. Some bacteria and fungi are the example for particularly decomposers. They dead plants and dead organisms, they decompose them. Bacteria and fungi are decomposers particularly. So these scavengers, eating on dead. Decomposers also are eating on dead. So they are actually cleaning the earth. Okay, so scavenger and decomposer are also known as cleaner on the earth particularly. Okay, so today our topic mainly remain concerned with what animals eat. Okay, so you have completed this topic. Now your homework is to read this topic. Okay, second thing, there is an activity 4, okay, in which is based on what the animals eat. Okay, that's activity 4. Solve that. Okay, solve that your activity. This is your homework particularly. Okay, thank you.